Hi there.
Hiya, it's Vicky here from Farthings Dry Cleaners.
And Laurence here. Sometimes it says dry clean on the laundry, the pillow or the duvets or the mattress top. But what can you really dry clean and what can you wash? You always have to look at the care label, but don't always rely on what the care label says. We're going to tell you what we would do at Farthings. So normal pillows, it's 100% polyester, would be definitely wash. It can't be dry clean, but it can go lumpy, even more on really low quality. We had once this one with it's the paper.
Some aren't have any cotton.
Proper cotton.
Any,
yeah, it's like a paper and it doesn't even the washing, it doesn't like it.
Eats it up.
Yes. So that's the first one. Then the second one, it's the one filled with feather. Most of the time, this one is going to say dry clean. At Farthings, we don't dry clean feathers, we wash them.
A majority of the time, though, can I just say,
Yeah.
they do say wash.
They
on
do
the
as
care
well.
label, but
Yeah.
some can say dry clean.
Dry clean, but we would wash it, even if it says dry clean. Sometimes you can find problem with washing them.
If they're not dried properly, they would smell.
Yes.
And the smell is really bad.
But the good news is it's a problem, but it can be resolved because we can just wash it again and dry it. Because the thing is with feather, it feels dry, but if something inside, just a little bit of feather is humid, then it contaminates the whole pillow.
Yeah.
So that's the reason. The next one is the foam pillows, but you can't wash it. So they have a care label, usually says wash on one side, but it's only for the cover, because if you look inside, this foam here would never ever dry.
So it would just store the water with and it would be heavy.
Yes.
And, yeah.
But sometimes also you'll see a care label that says hand wash. But I can tell you, I've tried it, it never dries. So I would not do it. So I would never.
Tried and tested.
Yes, I would never wash a foam pillow.
But a lot of foam pillows have a cover over them.
Yes.
So we can wash the cover.
So we've got the synthetic, 100% polyester, feather, foam, and then we've got two other one which is filled with wool and the other one with silk.
So we would only dry clean these two types of fillings. The reason being that they can go extremely lumpy if they're washed.
And then it's impossible to put it back.
It's irreversible.
Yeah.
And then also you can experience shrinkage. But as long as you air it after it's been done.
And then that should be fine.
Absolutely fine.
One thing as well, if we dry clean a silk or wool, it would not remove any mark. The sweat mark, you won't see any difference after the wash with wool and silk if it's been dry cleaned. So just remember that.
So we hope we helped you today.
If you've got any questions, any comment, just send us a message and we'll be happy to answer. Thank you very much.
Bye.
Bye.